Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to send the CC4, the character creator 4 avatar into the Unreal Engine 5.5.4 to make this 3D avatar to become the main avatar, the game avatar of your Unreal Engine 5.5 game project. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step how to make this, how to get used of the how to make use of the character creator 4 to create your game avatar. Alright, let's go. First, you are in the character creator for the CC4. The first step, what you need to do is just click File, Export as FBX, Clove Character. Then, the Target 2 preset, choose Unreal. Activate the Install LOD, merge the material, select all, then embed the texture. Click Export, click OK, and export on my desktop. I just create a new folder, name this as model01, then name this as model01. Click Save. Now it is exporting the FBX file into here. Just wait for a while until it finishes. It depends on your computer speed. Now you can see it already done exporting. Alright, now we are going to go to the Unreal Engine 5.54 and I'm going to launch the Unreal Engine. And later I'm going to just import this FBX character. Now the Unreal editor is launching. Just wait for a few seconds. Done. And as demo, I'm going to just create a fresh new game project, a third-person game project. The project name is my project 4 as demo. I click create. Now after that, you need to wait for a few seconds. The Unreal editor is loading the my project 4, just a fresh new game project in Unreal Engine 5.54. See, within a few seconds it already loaded. The first step, what you need to do is just go to the content browser to just activate the content browser once. It is going to have the content browser at here. Then next, you need to get the Freedom Animation Pipeline 8.9 for Unreal Engine 5.5. This is a plugin that created by me. You can just go to my video description to get it, and we are going to install into your game project. To install into your game project, first you need to just open the folder Freedom Animation Pipeline 8.9. You should be able to see this. Alright. You need to copy into the content folder. So to copy into the content folder, you have to just open the document, then Unreal Project, the My Project 4, the content folder at here. Then you need to copy this into here. So right click copy, right click paste, and wait for a while. Now it is exporting. It is going into here. Now the Freedom Animation Pipeline plugin is already here, and later we are going to use this. So now you back to the content, then next at here, go to the FBX file, just create a new folder, name this as model01, then drag in the FBX file. It is translating the source file. Wait for a few seconds. Alright, once it pop out the import content, just click import. It is really simple. Now it is importing. Just wait for a while until everything completed. Alright, now you can see it already finished imported. So next, what we need to do is just go to the content folder, Freedom Animation Pipeline, go to the CC4 UE here. Then what you need to do is just copy the CC4 UE iconic. Just right click duplicate first. Then just name this as the model01 underscore iconic. So remove the 1 So this is the perfect name. Next, drag the navigation here. Just go and find your folder. Where is it? The model01 folder is at here. Drag and drop into here. Then move here. Go to the model01 folder. You should be able to see the IK rig. Just double click it. Here, change this preview skeleton to become the model01. It follow your avatar's name. Now done. Once you've done this step, click save and close. Next, you need to adjust the material. Because of now, look at the material. It's not set up properly yet. So close it until you can see this board. This is the material. At here, what you need to do is just drag this until you can see the opacity mask. Then just look at the opacity mask here. Drag it out. Drag the RGBA to the opacity mask directly. Then click save and close. Now check your skeleton mesh again. Everything come better. It looks better. Look more normal. Alright. Once you've done this step, close it. Next, you need to create an IK retargeter. So now just right click, scroll down until you can see the animation, retargeting, create an IK retargeter, name this as CC4 UE to model01. So I hold the control, I scroll, now I can see the name better. Now this one, just double click it. First, the source IK rig assets, you need to change it to become the CC4 UE IK rig. Then here click no. You should be able to see the camera. Then next, the target IK rig assets, change it. Set it as the model01. Just choose no. And then target mesh offset, change it to 150 so that you can see everything. Then go to the chain mapping. Click the roots first. Click the roots. Then translation mode, change it to absolute. Then click the pelvis. Translation mode, change it to absolute as well. Then now we are going to just test the animation. Go to the asset browser and then just choose the MMA kick. Alright, now pause it. Go to the character, mesh, go to the bone, show all hierarchy. We are going to just check the MMA kick. Then just check the sample dance. Seem it look okay. Then check again the chain mapping, the roots, globally scale, none, absolute. Alright, now correct. Next, go to the asset browser, click the first one, then scroll down until you can see the T-pose. You hold the shift, click the one that before the T-pose. Then after that, just export the selected animations into the model01. Click export. Click export. Then export the T-pose as well into the same folder. Export. Export. Then the rest, donate. Close this. After that, back to the model01 folder. Here, you should be able to see so many animations. Just right click, create a new folder, name this as animation. Then click, select all of the motions, just move it there. because there are so many. Just move it to the folder. Now, next, check again. Next, go to the content, freedom animation pipeline. Go to the CC4 UE animations until you can see the third person animation blueprint. Right click it, retarget the animations. Then at here, the source skeletal mesh is already chosen. You need to choose the target skeletal mesh. Choose your CC4 avatar, the model 01. Then untick the auto generate retargeter. Retarget assets here, change to the one that you created just now. Looking for CC4 UE to model 01. This is the one, the retargeter that you created just now. Then scroll down until you can see the third person animation blueprint. Click the one, then click export animations. Choose the model 01 folder, animations, click export. Then click export. Done. Once you already done this step, that means at this step, you already can make him become the player avatar. So go to the content, the third person, blueprint. Now you can just display. Once you display, you can see the player avatar is the SKM mannequin. We want to just change this SKM mannequin to become your model. So what you need to do is just right click the BP third person blueprint, then duplicate, name this as model 01. Underscore. So scroll, you can see the file name, BP third person character. So here model 01 BP third person character. Just follow these formats. The name, then just double click it, click the mesh, click the viewports. Here the skeletal mesh assets, you have to change it to become the model 01. Then after that, the animation class, you have to change it, but there are so many repeated names. What you need to do is just compile this first and minimize it. Go back to the content folder, model 01 animations. Then find out your third person animation blueprint. Just click and press F2. Then put an underscore behind, name this as model 01. Make sure you rename it properly so that you can recognize it. Now back to that window just now. Here, this is the BP third person. At here, the animation class, you already rename it properly. You can recognize it. The third person animation blueprint model 01. Select this, then click compile, close, and then back to the content folder, third person blueprint. Now we are going to set this as the main avatar of the game. You have to go to the BP third person game mode. And here, default pawn class is the main avatar. Change it to become the model 01 BP third person character 1. Then click compile, click save, and close. Now you can try to play the game. You can see your CC4 avatar already become the main avatar. Already become the game avatar in your Unreal Engine 5 game project, and everything already done. It is really simple, and you can even make him to become the NPC. It is really simple as well. You can control this avatar. Now he already become the main avatar. It is easy. Alright. That's all for today about my tutorials on how to make the CC4 avatar to become the player avatar in your Unreal Engine 5.54 game project. This is the latest version of the Unreal Engine 5, and how to make the CC4, the character creator for avatar, import it into the Unreal Engine 5.54 game project. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.